Everything's always an argument with you guys. You guys need to shut the fuck up.
We might have to do it again.
What up guys, it's Recess, you already know what it is. We're back at it again with another video. Today we got the Chubby Bunny Challenge.
But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And give it a like if you think this guy's gonna yak again.
Why do you always have to do that, man?
I have no faith in him.
That's how it goes. Put a marshmallow in your mouth, say Chubby Bunny as clear as possible. If you can't say it, you take it out. Got it? No cheaters this side.
Let's get it on. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
This is sick, eh?
Chubby Bunny.
Wow.
Chubby Bunny.
Wow.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
What is that?
Number 4 right here, number 4.
On the fourth.
4.
Chubby Bunny.
Why you finessing?
Chubby Bunny.
Why you finessing?
Shut the fuck up.
Chubby Bunny.
There's no finesse to the game. Just fucking put the marshmallow in your mouth, bitch. But is that 5? He just did 5?
Yeah.
Jeez. Chubby Bunny. Jeez, I just hear all those marshmallows just
Chubby
squished up
Bunny.
in
Look at those cheeks, bro. I love it.
Yeah.
6.
Bunnies. I like bunnies.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Your mustache is getting finessed right now, bro.
Chubby Bunny.
Don't forget to-
my cheeks are
Don't forget to wipe.
Chubby Bunny.
Yeah, that's 7. That's
How you
7.
guys finessing
That's
these
7.
marshmallows, dude? Like, holy.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Remember, yo, if you guys do this at home, buy name brand. Cause yo, there's no name brand, it's stress.
That's 1 for me.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
8.
Chubby Bunny.
That's 9.
Yeah, nice. Those dishes just now.
Slide it in. Yeah, 1 time, yeah. Bless. Bless.
Chubby Bunny.
Is this 10? Is this 10? Or 11? 10?
Chubby Bunny.
He's done. What's going on?
Chubby Bunny.
One more time.
Chubby Bunny.
I don't know.
Chubby Bunny.
Okay. There we go. Yeah, it's not 10. That's 10, no? 10, 9, 10.
You just have to know when you're about to take your L and just take it at that, you know?
Yo, give me that 11.
Just a fucking gross, dog. Yeah, here you go, my friend.
All I hear is
Chubby Bunny.
11?
Chubby Bunny.
Yo!
I was about to swallow this stuff. I was about to swallow it. It's not working. That was tense though.
What happened?
Like, it just wanted to get swallowed. I didn't want that. I didn't want that.
Yo, this guy has me crying, dog.
Yo.
Is that 12?
Honestly,
So you got 12?
I got 12.
Actually, but you didn't say Chubby Bunny at 12. You said at 11.
11.
Okay, at 10? Then 9.
Alright. So I took the W today. Never eating marshmallows again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to give us some more challenges in the comments. Tell us what you guys like about the videos. Ask us some questions.
don't forget.
You recap. I'm like,
What? You okay?
Yeah, bruh. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.
What you said?
Just take it easy.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Don't forget to check out our next video coming out on Tuesday.
And you can forget not to dislike this video.